This is how you can create a Prime Gaming account. By the way, it's part of an Amazon Prime subscription, but Prime Gaming is focused only on games and it also gives you free games every month. First, click on Sign In. If you already have an account, you can log in directly by entering your information. But in our case, we'll click on Create your Amazon account. Now fill in your information, your name, your email, and the password you'll set. And now click on Create your Amazon account. And now a code will be sent to your email to verify your account. In my case, I'm using Gmail. Alright, we found it. Now take the code and enter it in the security code field. Click on Create your Amazon account. We're done! Now let's explore a world full of exclusive games. Some of them might even be free, so what are you waiting for? Create your account and live the moment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video answered your questions. For more useful content, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.